we're sourcing about 10% of our monthly closed revenue from cold outbound, which has been wild. And just cold calling, we're not doing cold calling 2.0 with outbound emails, because as emails in B2C are notoriously impossible to get and incredibly challenging to validate. So we've been able to find phone number sources that have been excellent. And that's been a bit of the secret sauce. It's been a process. I've led B2B teams, running cold outbound teams there. It is much easier. It is much easier. And sometimes I'm like, oof, that would be the dream. But here we are.
I'm with you, man. I would say B2C emails have gotten a lot easier to get in the last couple of years, especially with tools like Clay and things coming out. But yeah, I'm always emailing in a B2B context. And so it's never made sense for me to say, hey, let's go email these personal emails. Usually it's not going to go well. But I think maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I guess maybe if you're going pure B2C and you've got somebody's Gmail, that might be pretty valuable.
Totally. And for us, Hemlane's a rental property management company where we manage nearly 30,000 units across the United States. So everybody who uses our software is using a personal account. Maybe they're a property investor who has a corporation and they may have a corporate Gmail or something like that. But we see a lot of hockeystar2623@gmail.com.
Hey, dude, don't share my email.
Hey, you know what? We just had the Four Nations here last week, and yours came front of mind, man. Hockeystar2623 and cool Slapshot 2024. We see all of these, and what's amazing is that we also see people who are creating their second account or their third account, the typical duplication pain point, that they've got these small iterations of their own Gmails that are actually legitimate, and it is super exhausting to manage. But that email piece is actually incredibly challenging for us, for sure.